القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Welcome to this video. Inshallah, in this video we'll be continuing the lesson of the extra med, and we'll be going through the different letters. As usual, we'll be going according to the order of the alphabet, and we will be doing all three types of med. Here you see you have the letter, and then you have the corresponding med, the haraka, and the corresponding med letter to the haraka with the med sound on the med letter. And you will see here also that it's all 4, 4, 4 to indicate that you need to stretch it for 4 counts. So inshallah we will go through them together. You need to master how to do the count, but for now the way I want you to do it is just to basically count the 4 haraka count on your fingers. So maybe you can just flick your finger, and that would be 1 count, and you will see that this is 1 count. And once you've flicked 4 fingers, you see your 4 count is over. So we'll do it together inshallah. So it's ba, bu, bi. Next one, ta, tu, ti, fa, thu, fi. Next one, ja, ju, ji. Next page, ha, hu, hi, kha, khu, khi, da, du, di, ذا, ذو, ذي، را، رو، ري، زا، زو، زي، sa, su, si, sha, shu, shi, sa, su, si, ba, bu, bi, ta, tu, ti, va, vu, vi, a, ru, ri, ra, ru, ri, fa, fu, fi, qa, qu, qi, ka, ku, ki, La, lu, li, ma, mu, mi, na, nu, ni. Of course, before we continue, you need to control your breathing to ensure you have enough breath to say the meds. In some ayat, normally you will get 5-6 meds, 3 to 6 meds, which you can have in one ayah. Of course, you won't read that all in one breath, but you need to be prepared to ensure you can read the whole ayah with the correct meaning. So be prepared with your breath. Of course, it can sound quite boring when we're doing it like this because we're stretching it just in one sound, but when we're reading the Quran, then as has been commanded, we will beautify our voices, and of course you will see that we have many different types of beautiful recitations of the Quran. So for now, just practice the lengthening of the 4 harakat. Last page inshallah, and we will do this together. Wa, woo, we, ha, ooh, he, ooh, e, ya, you, e. So this completes the lesson on the mad. Inshallah, in the next exercise you will be doing some practice. Starts off with some basic sounds, but then it comes into some actual words. So here we can see that it's all being incorporated together slowly. You can see how you are reading more and more advanced words. Now, just to come to a point here, that when we have the waw med at the end of some words, and you have this alif with a sort of sakin looking thing at the end. This alif is for the purpose of writing. You do not have to be concerned with it. All you need to know is that this has no effect on anything that comes before it in terms of recitation. It's specifically for the reason of writing there.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.